You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this gas. It's usually a gas at room temperature. If you want to learn more names from science and gases, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, in the UK, it's very often pronounced as methane, alright? Methane. Now, in the US, it's more commonly pronounced as methane. And now both, UK, US pronounced two different ways, essentially two correct pronunciations, methane or methane. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.